this every morning, it will protect your kidneys, it will lower your blood glucose levels and decrease your blood pressure. Good morning, Katherine from WO Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. In today's video, the 7 morning staples for people who are serious about reversing their kidney disease. Because breakfast really is the most important meal of the day. And now we have proof. According to a very recent study, skipping breakfast is associated with more kidney disease incidents. So never skip breakfast. Instead, do it with the 7 super healthy foods of today's video. Let's see what they are. Number 7, let's see what's inside. Barley flakes! An amazing superfood for your kidneys. While barley flakes totally look like rolled oats and they even taste just as good as rolled oats, they're not the same thing because barley is a lot healthier for your kidneys than oats. First of all, a serving size of barley flakes of 1/4 cup or 30 grams contains just about 90 milligrams of potassium and 70 milligrams of phosphorus, which is way less than oats. And also, this is a low glycemic grain, great for people with diabetes, but it's also very high in magnesium, great to lower your blood pressure. This is what makes it a superfood. And it's even richer than apples in dietary fiber. A serving of 1/4 cup of this amazing superfood packs 4 grams of dietary fiber, which is a lot. It can really give you significant health benefits, especially because it's soluble fiber, the healthiest kind of fiber. Now guys, what are we going to eat this yummy superfood with? Well, what about the typical American breakfast? The typical American style breakfast consists of a main dish, eggs typically paired with meats such as bacon or sausages. Choices for the side are either pancakes or toast. Most common drinks include either coffee or juice. So, a question, a little trivia for you guys. Let's play a game! Because I know that many of you follow me regularly and that you know a lot about the correct way of eating. So, eggs, bacon, sausages, pancakes, toast, coffee, milk, and juice. Which of these are healthy? Okay, you have 10 seconds to write it down in comment section. The answer is in this bag. Right. Are you ready? And the healthiest part of the American breakfast is... Let's see what's inside. Oh, coffee! Because coffee really is healthy. And not many people know this, but for most people, coffee is the #1 source of disease-fighting antioxidants in the diet. Yes, you heard this right. Most people get most of their antioxidants from coffee rather than any other dietary source. Nothing else comes even close. Because while it's true that many fruits and veggies are extremely rich in antioxidants, people generally drink a lot more coffee than they eat these fruits and veggies. Which is not a bad thing, but don't stop eating healthy fruit and veggies. Researchers say both caffeinated and decaf versions of coffee appear to provide similar amounts of antioxidants. Just don't load it with sugar and creamer. Maybe use a natural sweetener such as stevia instead. Just don't start drinking coffee if you are not used to it. Some people react badly to caffeine. It can raise their blood pressure. This happens mostly in people who are not used to caffeine though. What about the other foods I've mentioned? Eggs, bacon, sausages, pancakes, toast, coffee, milk, and juice? Well, eggs aren't that bad. They're rich in vitamins of the B group and healthy fats. The problem is the protein they contain. If you are limiting protein in diet, eggs have to go, unfortunately. Same for bacon and sausages. Actually, get rid of them even if you are not limiting protein. There is nothing healthy about bacon and sausages. Toasted bread is not unhealthy. It doesn't really add many nutrients, but it's a source of calories that are easily digested. It can be a good thing in small amounts. What about juice? This is unfortunately one of those junk foods disguised as healthy. But luckily, in today's video, we are going to see many healthier ways to replace them. Our number one in particular is probably the best source in the world of natural anti-inflammatory compounds. But before, our number 5. Sourdough bread! Mmm! Looks delicious! And yes, you can have it in a renal diet. Amazing! Sourdough is actually a healthier alternative to regular white or whole wheat bread. It's still low in phosphorus, while breads made from whole grains aren't. And it has some nutrients, while white bread doesn't. Sourdough bread contains higher levels of folate and antioxidants than other breads, and it also provides some vitamins, especially vitamins of the B group, but also zinc, iron, and magnesium. Okay, this is just bread, so it's not a nutrient-dense food. It's mostly simple carbohydrates, but you still need some carbs in your diet, even if just in small amounts. And this is one of the healthiest sources you can find. And also, it tastes great. But we can have eggs with it, right? And where are we going to get some healthy fats? Maybe our number 4? Let's see it! Okay, let's see our number 4. Oh, pistachios! Pistachios are an amazing superfood. They're extremely healthy. According to a review of studies on the effect of eating nuts on blood pressure, pistachio intake had the strongest effect of all nuts on reducing blood pressure. And it's great to include this superfood in your breakfast because it can also help lowering blood sugar levels. Another benefit, eaten in moderation, pistachios will even help you lose weight. Researchers think that all these benefits are due to very high amounts of the phytochemicals lutein and zeaxanthin of pistachios, which have been associated with a lower risk of diseases. Notably, pistachios also are one of the most vitamin B6 rich foods around. Vitamin B6 is important for several bodily functions, including blood sugar regulation and the formation of hemoglobin, useful to fight anemia. So yeah, pistachios are incredibly healthy, and that's why I think they're great for breakfast. Now, let's bust a myth on the kidney diet once and for all. Are nuts bad for the kidneys? Nope. According to modern guidelines, nuts are indeed safe in a renal diet if eaten in moderation. Now, moderation really is key here. In fact, nuts are jam-packed with all nutrients including protein, potassium, and calories. 3 things you don't want. But if you only eat a few per day, you're going to have enough healthy phytochemicals and essential vitamins without overloading on nutrients you don't want. It's that easy. What's never easy is having breakfast without milk. But you know, the phosphorus in milk makes it really bad for the kidneys, and that's not a myth, unfortunately. So let's see what the best milk choice for people with kidney problems is. Oh, almond milk! This looks yummy! It has a pleasant, nutty flavor and a creamy texture similar to that of regular milk. But since almond milk is made by blending almonds with water, it's not dairy, so there is almost no phosphorus here. The phosphorus in milk can really mess up your kidneys and your bones. A glass of cow milk contains about 255 milligrams of phosphorus. Kidney patients usually should get no more than 600 or 700 milligrams of phosphorus a day. So if you drink just one glass of cow milk, you'll be at 1/3 of your daily phosphorus allowance and you wouldn't be able to eat other fruits, vegetables, and dairy products for that day. So, no cow milk for people with kidney disease. Well, this wonderful milk alternative here is not just very low in phosphorus, just 24 milligrams per one glass. It's also delicious and yummy. So yes to almond milk, but choose a brand that doesn't contain added sugar. Very important. Other low phosphorus milk alternatives include soy milk and rice milk. So find the one you prefer. Just be very careful and read the labels. Double check for phosphorus, calcium, and sugar content. Be aware that product formulas can change. One brand of soy milk that is low in phosphorus may be fortified with phosphorus the following year. Even within the same brands, different flavors can have varied amounts of phosphorus, calcium, and potassium. So be very careful, okay? Okay guys, you know what's missing here? Some fruit? Well, let's see a summer fruit that's extremely healthy for the kidneys. And our number 2 is, let's see what's inside. Oh, cherries! A fruit that is both incredibly delicious and healthy. Cherries are not just a great source of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds to protect your heart and kidneys. Cherries also act as a kidney detoxifier. In a recent study on people suffering from high uric acid levels, a kind of toxins that's cause of inflammation, kidney damage, and gout, eating cherries for 2 days lowered the risk of a gout attack by a whopping 35%. Which is amazing because gout is a serious and painful risk for people with kidney problems. Researchers think that this benefit is due to the high polyphenols content of cherries, a powerful plant chemicals that help fight cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health by reducing oxidative stress. According to a different study, cherries are also thought to help with diabetes. In a study on 19 women with diabetes, those that drank tart cherry juice every day for 6 weeks lost weight and lowered their blood pressure and blood sugar. Not to mention that cherries are very kidney friendly, less than 200 milligrams of potassium per cup, and they are in season right now. All these benefits make cherries the perfect breakfast fruit if you care about your kidney health. But don't forget our number 1. Oh, you're going to like this one. And our number 1 is, let's see what's inside. Oh, my secret morning smoothie, which has unmatched health benefits. The ingredients of this smoothie are some of the most powerful medicinal superfoods you can find. If you drink it for just a few days, you may benefit from its amazing blood pressure lowering, anti-inflammatory, anemia fighting, and immune promoting properties, which may give a serious boost to your kidney health. How is this possible? I found a way to put together in a single recipe the foods with the greatest kidney health benefits in the world: berries, turmeric, ginger, lemon, and a secret ingredient you probably have never seen in a smoothie. Do you want to know more? The recipe is in this video up here. Okay guys, as usual, a new video is coming next Tuesday and I really hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.